Hey yo, what's up guys? Your boy Wanel and I'm back again to another video. Today we're going to look at the top 5 pairs of this upcoming week. If you are new on this channel, please make sure that you smash the like button and you also hit the subscribe button. You hit that big button over there. Without any further ado, let's get it. Alright guys, so let's look at the top 5 of this upcoming week, the week of the 1st of March. We're going to start with the US dollar JPY. It's loading. This is a US dollar JPY. As you can see, I think it's much clear on what is happening on this pair. We're just going to focus on this level, here. So let me go to a lower time frame and see lower time frame. Take away this box. 1 hour, it's not clear. Okay, with the 15 minutes, this pair I will need, it looks like it might push up like this for one more and then drop down, break this line, continue down like this. So this is the first pair. When it comes to this level, wait for the first impulsive move and then take it down. This is the US dollar JPY. The second one, let's look at the US dollar CAD. All the US dollar pair, they're looking like they're at the top. What is this? It's the US dollar SWIFT. Okay, this is not the one that I'm looking for, but since it's the one that I just chose now, let me just look at it as well. So the US dollar SWIFT, as you can see, it looks like it also approaching this area right here. So it might bounce on this level and then come down. But let's look at the US dollar CAD because it's the one that I was focusing on. Okay, no, the US dollar CAD, it looks like it's still pushing up. Let me put my MACD. Yeah, it looks like there might be a correction now. So this correction, it looks like there might be a correction. Just wait and see if we are getting this correction. Let's see if we are going to get a correction somewhere here. So this trend line. But it doesn't look nice. This one doesn't look nice. So it's the US dollar CAD, but the US dollar CAD I wouldn't focus on it. So I'll focus on the US dollar JPY and the US dollar SWIFT. Now let's go to pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand is a really nice pair. Even last week I was focusing on it. Pound New Zealand, let me go to okay, with the pound New Zealand, it's already if you miss this move, you can catch the correction move that will happen along the way. Let me draw to a lower time frame. 1 hour correction, it's already there. Let's put a trend line here as a guardian. It's a guardian like this. Okay, maybe we might get a bigger correction maybe we might get a bigger correction before we can push up here, because it looks like it's already exhausted. So if we get something like this, might be interested on this one. It is a GBP New Zealand dollar. GBP New Zealand dollar. I don't know what is happening with my network today. It's very slow. It's very slow. Okay, let's move on. I'm too quick this time around because I don't wanna make these videos to be too long. Let's go to AUD US dollar. AUD US dollar. AUD US dollar. Let's look at the higher time frame first. With the higher time frame, this trend line that is approaching, it's very important, because if you can have a look, let me put daily time frame instead of zooming out like this. It's loading. My network is very slow. Don't know what is happening. Oh man, come on buddy. Oh, this thing is very slow, guys, sorry. It doesn't want to load this area here. There's a portion that I want you guys to see here, but it looks like it doesn't want to load. But you can see we have this, we got that. Now we are currently approaching this one. Drop down to a 1 hour time frame. I'm skipping 4 hours because you've already seen it. We have to go down to not 15 minutes, I almost said 15. Go down to 1 hour. Where is the chart now? Okay. Okay, so we already on this box. Now what you can look for bounce, impulsive move, correction, you take another impulsive move. This is a New Zealand, sorry, it's a AUD US dollar. Look for this. Look for the bounce on this one, because it looks like it's been bouncing on this trend line. If it doesn't bounce here, then what you will see is you will see another correction. You'll see something like this. You will see something like this correction. It has to be a bigger correction, because when you only take a look at this is a very strong move. So a longer correction is needed before it can go down. So which definitely says on this level this market will push up. Even if it doesn't go with an impulsive move, it will go up slowly, and then that's when you will see that this market is not going up. Then you can take out the small profits, and then you wait for the move that goes down. So what do I mean by that? I mean, if you buy here, you get at least you get a correction, it goes up like this. You can see it's not going up it's not going up impulsively, and then you take your profit, and then you wait for second impulsive move that will go down like this. So that is my top 5 for the week. This week is not they're using a lot of pairs. They are currently on the top or at the bottom. Correction is needed before you can trade any pair. Cheers guys, have a productive week.